In JavaScript, the string split method splits a string into an array of strings based on a given separator character. First, we'll need a string, so let s1 equals string Scooble. Next, console.log of s1 dot split of nothing. If we run this code, you'll see it prints an array with just the string Scooble in it. When you pass nothing to split, it simply returns an array with just the string itself in it. Next, we'll pass the empty string to split. So s1.split of empty string. If we run that code, you'll see it prints an array of every character in Scooble. Curiously, unlike Python, in order to split on the space character, you actually need to specify space as the separator character. So let s1 equals Tarek Scooble. Then we'll do split of space. If we run that code, you'll see it print the array that holds string Tarek and string Scooble. Last, we can limit the number of splits that split does. We can turn s1 back to just Scooble. We can turn the separator character back to the empty string. Then add on an argument of 2. If you remember, the empty string returns an array with every character in the string. So limiting the number of splits to 2 should return an array with S and K. If you run the code, you'll see as much. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.